News just in from South Africa, where the country's highest court has ordered President Zuma to repay the costs of upgrading his house with public money. The Constitutional Court says Zuma violated the constitution by not repaying taxpayer money spent on his private home upgrade. The court has directed South Africa's national treasury to determine how much Zuma should repay within 60 days. Two separate cases for misuse of state funds had been brought to the country's Constitutional Court by opposition parties, the Democratic Alliance and the Economic Freedom Fighters. A March 2014 investigation by independent watchdog, the Public Protector, found that Zuma spent $15 million renovating his home in Nkandla shortly after he was sworn into office in 2009. Now, CCTV's Yolisa Njemele is keeping tabs on this story. She joins us on the line from Johannesburg. Yolisa, what more can you tell us about that ruling and what it means for the president?
Well, the ruling is essentially asserts that the National Assembly acted incorrectly on the Nkandla matter, which means that it's by dismissing the Public Protector, Madonsela's recommendation that President Jacob Zuma repay a portion of the taxpayers' money spent on security upgrades at Nkandla, his homestead, which essentially means the president failed to uphold, defend and respect the Constitution. And you'll remember that Madonsela, which is essentially the Public Protector, is the watchdog of the country, found in a report which was called Secure and Comfort, which was released in 2014 in March, that President Zuma unduly benefited from some of the upgrades. She therefore recommended that he repay a reasonable portion of the amount that was spent on the upgrades, but also reprimanded the ministers that were involved in the project. Justice Minister, or rather the justices this morning here at the Constitution.
I'm afraid we seem to have lost Yolisa Njemele, but basically just, of course, bringing us up to speed with that ruling and the impact it shall have on Jacob Zuma.